and welcome to the final melee video of this current season, and player of the week is Sash. As we get into this one here, sort of neutralish lead, Dragonclaw going through now. The Jellicent's likely running Ice Beam, so you have to shield here, but it's looking pretty good. They've swapped out into Heracross, and he's determined to get a few shields here. Not swapping into Jellicent just yet, which is a surprise, but he should be able to get to another Dragonclaw here and definitely pressure another shield if that Heracross wants to survive, and it does. So look, he's just he's throwing energy here, so you let this one go down and maybe get a massive farm on the Jelly. Now I have to see what this Heracross is running. Definitely has enough energy for Earthquake here. And it is Earthquake. Geez, that does a fair chunk. But he'll be able to farm down there, and he's in pretty good shape. So, the other Jellicent comes back in, and he'll be able to knock it out here. And should be able to get to a Bubble Beam. Well, it's another fighter, so it looks like it was a double fighter line. And this will get the shield. Actually, they're out of shields, that's right. So, the counter down there, too easy. Alright, let's get into the next game, and it's a Pharaoh Bifrost. Well, this is going to be interesting. Sash has got the Flash Cannon, so he'll definitely be able to chip away a little bit more. Have to see if the opponent's running Mirror Shot. Yeah, Flash Cannon doesn't do a bad chunk. Their first move's coming through now, and it's a Mirror Shot, so yeah, Sash probably wins there. He's building up to a move here and then swapping out. Definitely don't want to stand too long against the Heracross. Shields here. This will... Oh, he's been baited with a Rock Blast. Not sure... well, he'll get the shield here. And now he's got a lot of energy. He'll want to get to that Earthquake. So yeah, good bait there. And now that Earthquake will probably do... I think it did about 60% last time. So yeah, definitely a little bit less there. He's had another move. This should only be a Rock Blast, but he'll definitely have to throw here if he wants to get his energy off, and he does. Swap by the opponent back into Ferrothorn, but that's going to leave it pretty low, and catches what I assume will be a Mirror Shot here. The old Power Whip. Might be able to go close to farming down here. If he throws the Power Whip, he might be able to get a move off on that Heracross. Even resisted, these Power Whips would probably do almost kill this Heracross, I reckon. So throws the Power Whip here. Opponent's probably not going to shield. Doesn't, and it almost kills him. Doesn't have much energy here. And let's see. This is going to be really tight. Throws the first move here. Yeah, this is definitely going to be very tight. 2 Ice Beams is the goal. He's definitely past one. Oh, nah. Unfortunately, that Canadian internet Sash has got, he snuck a Dragon Tail, and that's just about KO there. Yeah, would have been a pretty tight if he hadn't snuck that move through. Alright, and final game here. Not a great lead. What's he going to do? He's going straight into Jellicent, and the opponent's answer is their own. So this is pretty much, well, I mean, he doesn't have a super firm answer for that Heracross, but the Flygon will do enough, and especially his opponent didn't shield the Shadow Ball there, probably thinking he was going to get baited, but he's about to get baited now, and he'll probably shield this because he's got no defense. Oh no, he's called the bait, so that was well played. But yeah, he's going straight Earthquake here, and a good shield from Sash. He's going Bubble Beam again. He's determined to get a Bubble Beam shielded, and doesn't. And he swapped out there too, so he's going to throw the Shadow Ball here, but it's pretty much GG's from here. Just needs to swap into S-Cab, chip this all the way down, and yeah, the opponent's realised and stopped there. So well done to Sash on getting 3-0 this week.